This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav has warned district collectors who remain silent during official video conferences. During a meeting on the Uniform Civil Code, he said he closely observed which collectors actively participate and which stay quiet. The Chief Minister noted that many collectors do not share their views during discussions. He also announced that a collector SP conference will be held in July. During the meeting, district ranking and the performance of officers will be reviewed. The government aims to improve administrative efficiency and encourage officials to contribute more actively in decision-making process. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will transfer the monthly Ladli Behna scheme amount to beneficiaries on June 14 during a program in Kesli Sagar district. Under the scheme, eligible women receive Rs 1500 every month as financial support. The Chief Minister is also expected to interact with beneficiaries and discuss various welfare programs for women. The Ladli Behna scheme is one of the Madhya Pradesh government's flagship initiative aimed at improving the financial security and empowerment of women across the state. Thousands of women are expected to benefit from the latest installment. The BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting concluded in Indore with the adoption of the BRICS Indore Declaration. The agreement focuses on food security, farmer welfare, climate resilient farming, agricultural trade and digital agriculture. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan described the declaration as a historic step toward global agricultural cooperation and sustainable development. The roadmap aims to strengthen collaboration among BRICS nations and address future agricultural challenges. The declaration is expected to help farmers through innovation, technology, and improve international partnership while supporting long-term food security and environmental sustainability goals. A controversy has emerged in Indore ahead of BJYM State President Shyam Taylor's visit. Opposition parties have criticized the large number of welcome banners and posters placed on electric poles, traffic points, and public signboards across the city. Critics argue that Indore, known as India's cleanest city, should maintain its appearance, especially while hosting important international events like the BRICS conference. They claim that excessive posters damage the city's beauty. The issue has sparked a political debate with opposition leaders questioning the civic administration and ruling party over the use of public spaces. Religious preacher Devkinandan Thakur began a Srimad Bhagavad Katha in Bhopal and emphasized the importance of wearing a tilak in Sanatan traditions. He said that a tilak is not merely a symbol but represents faith, discipline and identity. Thakur urged devotees to follow religious values in their daily lives rather than limiting faith to external appearances. Comparing religious practices across communities, he said every religion has its own traditions and symbols. He encouraged followers to understand and respect the deeper cultural and spiritual significance of Sanatan customs and practices. The Bhopal District Administration carried out two major anti-encroachment drives and demolished 89 illegally built houses and shops. The action freed around 7.5 acres of government land worth more than Rs 8 crore. One operation took place in Chhavni Pathar under the supervision of Huzur SDM Vinod Sonkia. Officials said the land belonged to the National Highway Authority and had been occupied for years. Authorities used bulldozer to remove the encroachment. The administration stated that such action will continue to protect government property and prevent illegal construction in the future. A shocking crime has been reported from Kokshi in Dhar district, where two minor girls were allegedly kidnapped and sexually assaulted. According to police, the accused took the girls on a motorcycle to a forest area and committed the crime before fleeing. A case has been registered and police team have launched a search operation to arrest the suspect. Medical examination of the victims have been conducted. Authorities have assured strict action against those responsible. The incident has raised serious concern about the safety and security of children in the region. Heavy rain and strong winds affected several districts of Madhya Pradesh on Saturday, including Bhopal, Narsinghpur, Sehor and Itarsi. In Itarsi, a tree fell on an ambulance park at the New Yard Railway Hospital, causing damage. Weather officials said the southwest monsoon has regained strength and is likely to enter the state between June 15 and June 18th. Rainfall brought relief from the heat but also caused disruption in some areas. Authorities have advised people to remain cautious during the storm and follow weather updates as the monsoon progresses.